Are you guys shopping for a new home? Well, if you are, one of the most important things you're probably doing is comparing rates. But you also should be comparing fees. The cost of obtaining that rate, the cost the lender is passing along to you, everything. Do you know how to do that? Well, let's take a look and see just how we can compare a lender to another lender. Fee sheets are produced a lot of times by your lender. This is the one that we use just for training, everything else, but other lenders are going to look similar, or at least they should have all the fees broken down for you. So it's called an itemized fee sheet. This will give you a breakdown and show you exactly what lender A is charging versus lender B. You want to make sure there's no hidden fees. You want to make sure if someone tells you there's no points, you want to make sure they're actually not charging you points. It is very important when you are comparing that you compare apples to apples. Make sure you have both of these produced for you and you can actually go over it. The first thing we'll look at is what is actually a closing cost. So I'm going to put this up on a screen and you guys can take a look. But the most important thing, application fee, processing fee, points will all be labeled and listed, just like you're seeing here. Application fees are costs of doing business. All of us have some sort of cost of doing business, whether it is an appraisal, whether it's a processing fee. There are many different fees within these that we are paying, but we're just simply labeling it as an application or processing fee. The origination fees, discount points, things like that, those fees are clearly stated, as you can see right here. 1 point is 1% of the loan amount. So if you have, in this scenario, a $400,000 loan amount, 1 point is equal to $4,000. You want to make sure the bank's not charging you an origination just to do your loan. If you're paying points to buy the rate down, that should be reflected and be listed as a discount point. So very important you compare those as well. Also, you want to make sure all the fees are listed. We've seen some crazy things, online lenders, everything else that show fees, and they don't really have an idea what's being charged in these particular areas, what credits there are, anything. So there's a lot of things that actually go missing or way underestimated. So make sure, again, always good to work with a very sound local lender who knows the area and can represent these fees to you correctly. So keep this in mind the next time you're looking at loan options or your rates. What is it actually costing you to get that rate? Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.